Today we are going to learn a poem. Have you seen the Cuckoo Bird? By Swapna Datta. Let's start reading the poem. Have you seen the cuckoo bird with raven-colored wings? Although I haven't seen one yet, I have often heard her sing. My dear students, in this stanza, the poet wants to describe the color of the bird, which is raven in color. What is raven? Raven means big black bird that looks like a crow. In the next two lines, the poet says she has not seen a beautiful bird, but she has heard it sing. Now let's see the next stanza. The cuckoo on our champak tree is hidden from our sight because the leaves are thick and close. But how she sings at night! In this stanza, the poet is giving reason why she is unable to see the bird. She says, due to the dense leaves of the champak tree. The poet wants to say that there are plenty of leaves. Because of that, she is unable to see the cuckoo bird. My dear children, just hear the sound of cuckoo bird. Now in the last stanza, cuckoo, cuckoo, says the bird. I may be dark, it's true, but there is not a single bird that sings the way I do. Dear students, in this last stanza, the poet is describing the way how cuckoo bird is singing. The speaker says that the cuckoo bird seems to look like dark. She may be dark, but she sings very beautifully. My dear students, I hope you understood the poem. Let's read the poem again. Have you seen the cuckoo bird with raven-colored wing? Although I haven't seen one yet, I have often heard her sing, the cuckoo on our champak tree is hidden from our sight because the leaves are thick and close. But how she sings at night! Cuckoo, cuckoo, says the bird. I may be dark, it's true, but there is not a single bird that sings the way I do. Goodbye students. See you soon in the next video. Today